In other programming languages like C++, to swap values of two variables we need a third variable for holding value of a variable. Because when we'll assign the value of the other variable to it, its value will be lost. So, first we'll give first variable's value to a temporary variable which is our third variable, and then we're assigning second variable's value to the first variable, and then we'll get first variable's value from the temporary variable and assign to the second variable. In Python, swapping becomes very easy. We don't need a third variable for swapping values of two variables in Python. In Python, swapping goes like this.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!